Hey, what's going on YouTube? Happy Friday. Today feels like Christmas because I got some gifts for myself I purchased. So guys, I got this from the Amazon and I got this from Aero Subaru. So big shout out to them. Thank you very much for hooking me up. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick what's inside of it. So I'm gonna start off with this one and 3, 2, 1. In this box, I have my Aero splash guard that I purchased from Aero Subaru, and they are going to be going here. So, bam, guys, that's gonna look clean. And let's show you guys this package and see what's in here. So, 3, 2, 1. Check this out, guys. I got the OEM door seals. It says WRX on here. It's metal. It's a little bit heavy, and it actually feels really good. It's not like a vinyl or anything like that. It's a little sturdy, so I'm gonna be installing this on my car as well. Alright guys, got the first side done. What do you guys think? Got my hands all grimy and everything. Just got it wiped off using my Subaru towel, and I got my neighbor's drill and stuff, so I hope they don't contaminate my my video. So that's the left side. I have yet to work on the right side, but yeah. Alright guys, the right side is now installed. They both look amazing. I'm very impatient, but I'm very glad that I was able to get it on perfectly. So this is pretty cool. Alright guys, so I am now going to move on to the side sills, and I'm going to do a quick install of it. I'm not going to show you guys the full detail of everything, but it's very easy. It's kind of just like vinyl work. You just put it in and just detail, and I don't want to show you guys all those boring stuff. I just want to show you the before and after. So I will show you guys really quick. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, next up are these side sills, and they're like I said, they're pretty sturdy, so they're good quality. You hear that? So this is going in the driver and rear, front rear, and this is going in the back. So I'll just show you guys really quick. I haven't installed it yet. I just placed it there just for a point of reference. You see that? A little small detail, guys. So this is going to be an easy install. Alright guys, took me quite some time, but I finally did it. The side sills are now installed. Makes a little bit of a difference. I do really enjoy it. The quality of it is really good. I do recommend going OEM for the sills. I don't know how the aftermarkets are, but it definitely feels really good. So this little detail makes me feel good. See, look at that. Feels good. And then, of course, back to my Aero splash guards. Pretty nice. No longer do I have to go mud flaps. So you guys, hope you enjoy.